Hello everyone, today is December 21st, Friday, 12:30 p.m. and Christmas is next Tuesday, and today is a bright sunny day as you see right now. And we got my solar array, 5 of them catching the sunlight and bringing in the electric power to charge my batteries inside the house. And right here is my pole for my wind turbines on to go up in the air to capture the wind and produce the power, and brought into the house by the cable I'm gonna have plugged into it. It's gonna be strong across. And down right here through the attic to the wind turbine charge controller to charge the batteries for my solar system. Alright, here's my wall set up right now. I have it running for the day, and everything's showing as you see it right now. My FlexMax 80 charge controller is charging the batteries right now, and it's bringing in 84.5 volts at 5.8 amps, and from the solar array outside in the backyard, and the output is 25.7 volts with 17.6 amps going to the battery banks, charging them up. It's in MPPT bulk mode right now, and this is my wind turbine charge controller right here, soon to be hooked up, and this is the dump loader up there. They're gonna be hooked up soon. I'm about to cut a hole right here, and the hole right here, and the hole right here, and bring in the line from the wind turbine down behind the wall, and it's gonna hook right here. The 3 lines are gonna hook right here where it said wind turbine through the hole. And I'm gonna have 2 going back in there and up out here, hooked to this dump load resistor right here to dump off any extra charge that can't go anywhere, that when the batteries are fully charged, though they could get burned off up there, you know. And down here is where the batteries are going to be hooked up, and I'll have another switch like this. I'm ordering it right now. Put it maybe about right here or something, so I can switch between the FlexMax and the wind turbine that I want to charge the batteries. You know, it's gonna be all great. 25.7 volts coming out the FlexMax and charging the batteries. And right now the inverter is using 25.5 volts at 33 amps running through it to power the whole house, and 25.5 volts in the battery bank as is right now. And my breakers is on, and the voltmeter is outputting 228 volts AC at 2.17 amps. And this is my charging breaker right here. If I need, I just flick it on just in case. At nighttime my battery is low because my solar ain't gonna be available, you know, so it's gonna be all great. I also ordered some more switches, 80 and 60 amp breaker switch for the incoming power from the wind turbine. I need to order a knife switch, since this is a 3 conductor right here, so I can switch on and off the wind turbine. Alright, this is my inverter hall monitor right here, and it shows the status of the inverter as it's running right now. It's running this whole house today. So here's the status of it as I turn it on, using 25.6 volts DC and putting out 227 volts AC, and split 2 ways, 120 volts per leg, 1% output load, and yes, it's in inverter mode, of course. Now I run this house for the day and it's gonna be swell. So here we go. Right now my system is running the central heating and it's keeping the house heated up. It's kind of cool outside, cold outside, so it's going great. And here's the sign to remind everybody in the house that the solar is on, not to run any heavy appliances like the dryer or too many appliances at the same time. That may offset the voltages of the inverter, and you know, they called it to shut off or something. Other than that, it's running great. So here we go. Okay, this is my battery bank right here. Right now I got 10 golf cart batteries inside, and they're all hooked in parallel, running in series through each other. 24 volt at 430 amp hours right now, and probably more because I got these 2 extra ones on the ends though, you see, and it's gonna be great. And my goal is to run this whole house all day and all night on a charge off these batteries, and get them recharged the next day, you know, for the next night or so, you know, or whenever you might have an outage, or you know, it'd be ready to be used though. And of course, here's my cable right here, my wire for the wind turbine. I'm gonna hook up soon to my baby right here, and up there to the dump load is just up there. It's gonna be all ready. And also my order came in, you know, with the extra switches and stuff I was talking about, and the connectors, and battery switch like this one you see right there. That's another switch. This is the 80 amp right there, and this is the, let me see, the 60 amp right here. And these are the wire connectors are hooked to the ends of this, coming from the wind turbine, and then this other end string all the way through the attic down here, hooked to this right here, and then to the dump loader and everything. Yeah, I'll be ready for that when I start doing the wind turbine to get up in the air, generate that power. So thanks everybody for watching this, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's, and it's gonna be a great year coming up, 2019. So Happy New Year. Thanks for watching.